She was already named that. Yeah. This is what happens. No. No. You get the ball. You don't get the material.
She's almost at 30 now. Shut up. Yeah, for real.
You get the ball. Here.
There are a bunch of people from the rescue that
Thank God that we gave this to you under supervision because you tore it apart.
But she doesn't look that big from the back.
No.
It's just her head's so big.
And we bring it back. Hi, the little grunter. Bug. Bug.
Yeah.
Bug. He's like, nope. Don't disturb me. I'm playing with my ball.